I need you to stop dwelling on all your sorrows, all your shortcomings, and making them seem as if they're the worst thing in the world. It is what it is. And that's the mentality I want you to start adopting. It is what it is. Your next question, instead of dwelling in all your failures, is what is it that you want? How do you get there? Let's give some examples. Say you want a girl's number, right? Girl A. She's beautiful. You think that's the most perfect girl in the world. I want you to cut straight to the chase. See, I don't want her thinking she can put you in the friend zone like she does every other idiot. See, when you go up to a girl, you cut straight to the chase. It yields two results. Either she'll say, ew, no, or no, thank you, or I have a boyfriend, or whatever, which is great news because now you're not wasting your time with the girl that's going to drag you along. Or two, she'll admire the directness. She'll admire the assertiveness and give you her number or give you her Instagram or her Snapchat. But let's say for a second she does say no. She doesn't give you the option you want. She gives you the option you didn't want. What would 99% of guys do? They would go home, they would dwell, sorrow, man, I must be ugly, man, screw these girls, they only want tall, rich guys. That's what most guys would do. I don't want you to be most guys. I want you to have it is what it is mentality. So, you ask yourself, what do you want? You want girl A, right? How do you get there? Okay, so we know or we assume that she wants a tall and a rich guy. All right, you can't control height, but what can you control? You can't control how much you make. You can't control how hard you hustle. You can't control your confidence. You can't control how much muscle you put on so you look more dominant. You can't control how you walk. You can't control how assertive you look. So now that we know what we want and how we get there, now we get to work. Take business. For example, right now, let's assume that you're broke. You're broke and you don't want to be broke, right? So again, what's the question? What do you want? You want money, all right? You know you don't have money right now. So the next question is, how do we get there? The first thing I would do is I would hop online and start researching every single business you can start with zero to no money. Like, you don't need anything to start. And by the way, there's hundreds, if not thousands of these ideas online. I would grab a pen and paper and I would start writing. Boom, boom. These I can do, right? These I can do. They're within my scope or my capacity. Boom, boom, boom. Make a list of 100. Make a list of 200. And then we just start trying. The first business fails, then we try the next one. The next one fails, then we try the next one. Don't just try one or never try at all and say, man, this is not fair. I'm broke. The system's rigged against me. And by the way, this doesn't stop, like even at my level. And the bigger you get, the more you start realizing that there's other players in the game that are playing the exact same game you're playing, but they're playing on easy mode and you're playing on hard mode. They have unlimited connections. They come from money. They have an unlimited resources of wealth and connections that you and I will never have access to. Especially like for what I want, breaking into that unicorn, magical billionaire territory. So I'm on the same boat as you guys. The advice I give you is the advice I'm applying to myself. It is what it is, right? I realize what reality looks like. I know what I want, and I know how to get there, and now we work. We fail. We work. We fail. We work, because it is what it is.